Hello, Geo Space. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm here to deliver your weekly agenda for November 2nd, 2020. Last week, bit of an odd week. We had a snow day, or I should say the A group sort of had a snow day. And so missed out on seeing all of you. And then I had a cold that I caught from my toddlers. I did a test, I'm negative, I'm all good to go, but it threw off the game plan a little bit from last week. And so this week is going to be a little bit of catch up, some regrouping, some identifying of missing assignments, and getting hopefully all on the same page. So here is that agenda. We're regrouping, right? Those that did get a chance to see the gravity demos will do some sketch notes on a really interesting documentary. If you saw that documentary last week, then you will be doing some gravity demonstrations and some simulations. And so we'll do some catch-ups depending on whether or not you saw or did not see one of these things. We're also going to be turning in missing assignments. I'll kind of go over that more in class. Asynchronously, we still have an activity, our classic ed puzzle video, which I use for both attendance and for your remote learning day, online learning day. And so that link is right here. Should take you directly to this video about the Big Bang. Okay, so before we move forward, next week we are going to be talking about the beginning of everything. Okay, and so that this is a bit of a preview for you for what's to come next week. And so that is pretty much it, right? We're doing a little catch up, and then we're jumping a little bit into the beginning of everything. And yeah, so if you have questions, please do not hesitate to email me. As always, my email is there on every posting. And check those grades, check those missing assignments, and be ready to move forward. But other than that, I'll see you guys in class.